Hello students, in this video I will show you how to create an effect as shown in the flash window. We call this as a masking effect. Here I have applied the marks over the text. So to do this I have used two layers. One is for the text and another layer is for marks. Now before going through the activity, you need to understand what is masking. So in order to reveal only the selective portion of the underlying layer, we use the masking feature. By using the masking, we can create a binocular like effects as shown in the figure to view only a portion of the graphics or the picture lying on the next layer or a bottom layer. So let us begin. Let me open the new flash window. So here is my new flash window, and the white space that you can see at the center, we call this as a stage. So either you can work on the same stage or you can change the background color of the stage. So if you want to change the background color of the stage, under the property inspector window, you can see a background color box here. Just click on the background color box and select the color that you want to apply. So let me apply a black color. Now you can see that the background color of the stage has changed into black. Now next I want to insert the text on the stage. So to insert the text on the stage, I need a text tool. Let me go to the left hand side of the tool panel. So we call this as a text tool. Once you click on this text tool, again at the property inspector window, you can see all the font properties that are available to format the text. You can change the handwriting style, you can change the size of the text, and you can apply the color. Now at the top, if you just see at the left hand side, you can see layer 1. As I have already said that I will be working on two layers. One is for the text and another is for marks. Now I just want to rename this layer 1. If you want to rename it, simply double click on this layer and give the new name. So let me type say text. So this is my text layer. Now click on the first frame of the text layer. Just go and click the mouse pointer inside the stage and type the text. Say TIGPS Siliguri. Now click on any of the frames, suppose say frame number 30 or any of the frame you like. So let me click on frame number 30 on the text layer and insert a keyframe. Insert, just right click the mouse button and click on insert keyframe. Now I just want to add a new layer so that I can give or I can put a marks over this text. So to insert a new layer, you can see a insert layer button here. Click on the insert layer button. You can see a new layer has appeared just above the text layer. We call this as a layer tool. Now similarly, you can also rename this layer by double clicking the mouse button and give a new name, suppose say marks. Now you have to be very careful because I have two layers here. Now one is for the marks and another is for the text. So it is up to you in which layer you are working. So you have to be very careful while using a layer now. Now click on the first frame of the marks layer. Now see here, I'm not working on the text layer, I'm working on the marks layer. So I'll click on the first frame of the marks layer and draw a circle or an oval that is slightly larger than the text. So this is my rectangle tool. So let me select the rectangle tool. Just click here. From the inspector property window, let me change the fill color of my circle. And let me drag the mouse button and draw one circle and make sure that your circle should be slightly larger than the text. So say this as a circle. Now see, this is an object, it is a shape. Now you need to convert this shape into a symbol. So first you have to select the text. Now if you go at the top on the tool panel, you can see this, we call this as a selection tool. Simply click on the selection tool and select the object here. Now go and click on the modify menu here, and from the drop down list, click on convert to symbol. Now make sure that the graphic radio button get clicked and simply click on OK button. Now the shape has been converted into a symbol. Now similarly, click on frame number 30 of the marks layer and insert a keyframe. Right click the mouse button and insert a keyframe here. Now you can again select the frame number 30 and simply drag the circle or the oval, whatever you have created, over the text and move it to the right side of the text in this way. Now right click on the frame in between 1 to 30 in any of the frame under the marks layer. Right click the mouse button and click on create motion twin. Just simply click on the create motion twin. Now you can see an arrow that appears between the two keyframe, that is frame number 1 and frame number 30. This shows that the motion twinning has been applied. Now the final step is to apply the marks. So go in the marks layer, right click the mouse button and simply click on marks. Now the marks has been applied to the text and you will notice that only the portion of the text is visible. Finally, I need to run the animation. So click on control menu here. So if you want to play it continuously, go and click on loop playback. Again go to the control and click on play button. Now you can see that only the portion of the text is visible in the animation. So we call this as a masking effect. So I hope you have understood it. This is all in today's video. Kindly go through the video again and again and do practice it at home. Thank you, children.